Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending April 1st, 2018. This play was on a stock called PM that I think a lot of you know. The date it occurred was on 3/27. This is a short 4-day trading week. This was on Tuesday that it happened, about 10:30 in the morning. The strategy was based on a 15-minute DTS buy setup plus a few other concepts. Entry was simple, management was advanced, and reward to risk overall average of 2 targets, 2.5 to 1. Let's take a look at how this play happened. Before that, I just want to get in one quick word. I rarely do this in these educational videos, about 1 in 20 times, but I started a DTS long-term trader letter by popular request for people who could not be in the room with me. And I haven't had time to get the word out about this, but I am offering people who subscribe to this long-term trader letter membership in the DTS trading room, because the people who subscribe to the letter don't have a lot of time to be in a room. They're not able to subscribe, but they're able to be around for a couple of days here and there. So they're able to access the room, and you get that for just the price of the letter. You can visit the website on the services page to find out about all this, or you can email me, or there should be a link you can click on here on this video. There's also a introductory annual rate that you can take advantage of through the 8th. That'd be through next Sunday, I believe. On with the play. This was the 60-minute chart of PM, and the reason that I'm starting with this is because this is where the play originated. I go through a whole lot of daily charts, a whole lot of 60-minute charts every day in prep for the market, and this was found on this 60-minute chart by looking at this consolidation that formed right down here and looked pretty nice on a 15-minute chart as well. That brought it to my attention, brought it to my watch list. Just to show you what happened when I played it the next morning, I just played it. It was a 2-hour trade, but it had a heck of a run the next day, and then really the day following it really took off, showing that this was the right time to be picking on this stock. This was the daily chart. When you're picking on an hourly chart that's in a downtrend like that, the daily chart must have one of several characteristics to make it playable. Since you're in an hourly downtrend, this daily chart qualified. Specifically, that is the 11th bar down, biggest bar on the chart after 10 prior bearish bars in some form or fashion. And then the day that we're looking at, it had that little doji right to the right of it. And that's what happened on the daily chart the following 2 days, 3 days. 5-minute chart, we are looking at, this is the opening bar of the day I was playing it. Sometimes I'll come in and play that opening bar. Now let's talk about this for a minute. There's a specific reason. If you take your own hourly, daily, 5-minute chart of the market, QQQ or the SPY, and take a look at it, you will see why I did not want to play this morning that early, because the market setup was such that I had to wait until at least 10 o'clock, preferably 10:30, to let the market set up, and I wanted to see the relative strength in this stock. The stock had good relative strength as time went by, and it was right when it hit the support level the second time, right at 10:30 reversal time in here, that I came in to take the trade. Entry 96.33, stop 95.89, and while I often struggle with targets as much as anyone because they're mysteries, I did a heck of a good job on these targets. Target 1, 97.33, and target 2 on the trail coming off the high, because I knew that was going to be the high for the day. All happening in about 2 hours. Picking the right stock can be critical. My overall concept is to try and find unique things that don't necessarily revolve around the market, and then time them with the market for kind of a backup double-pronged security. As it turned out, it really worked out well this day, because this stock rallied on Tuesday. If you take a look, this is the day we had the market debacle. The market completely reversed, very bearish day, yet this stock held and continued higher without the market. So I got that benefit of picking a really great stock, and the market timing is right, but the market ended up falling apart. It didn't hurt this stock at all. This trade, of course, is done in the DTS trading room, where we take all of the watch lists, review them before the market opens, discuss them all, and look for a handful of really great plays that people can play along with on liquid stocks that are discussed well ahead of time. If you'd like to join us, find out about getting a trial to the DTS trading room at the website. Until next time, this is Paul Lang for Disciplined Trading Strategies. Good trading, everybody.